Hello, welcome to Ideas Consulting Group. I trust that you and your family and everybody whom you care for is safe and healthy during these COVID times. These COVID times have really changed this world and our lives. Personally, I feel this is a message from the Almighty to all of us to rethink our priorities in life. If you think about it, most of us, majority of the population in this world, we were just chasing materialistic benefits. We were looking at success, fame, money, recognition. And in the process, I think the biggest thing that we have sacrificed is relationships. We have hardly found time for people whom we care for, people whom we love, and people who matter in our lives. Suddenly, everything is changing. I personally have realized that the amount of time that I'm spending with my family, having lunch, dinner together, watching television together, I don't remember when I did it last. The time has come for us also to recognize and acknowledge the effort, the comfort that is created by people who support us in our day to day lives. Whether it's the chauffeur, whether it's the maid, or any such person who needs the respect that they deserve for what they have done to our lives. I think time has come for us to reinvent ourselves. Those of us who are working, those of us who are looking at careers, those of us who want to grow in life, I think we need to re-evaluate our own skills. See what will make us relevant and keep us relevant as the world changes. The world will restart, that's for sure. When will it start? Nobody knows, and that is also sure. The numbers as we progress is becoming grimmer and grimmer. But someday things will again turn towards better. The idea that we must all pursue during this time is to prepare ourselves so that the tunnel that we have got into due to the pandemic, which is dark, which is uncertain, we can navigate it carefully, navigate it successfully till we reach that light which is there at the end of the tunnel. And believe me, the world will be different when you see light. We must prepare ourselves for that. And that is what we are advising to our clients at Ideas Consulting Group, to the people we train at Ideas Consulting Group. And one of the most popular training programs that we are delivering is change. Our focus is me and my change. How do I change before I try and influence and change others? Focus on it. That is the future. The future is not about the strongest. Future is not about the brightest. Future is about those who can adapt to what we are always hearing as the new normal. Stay safe. All the best.